Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or remove folders next to the Start menu power button on your Windows 11 computer. So if you open up the Start menu, you'll notice that there aren't any folders or icons next to it. But if you'd like to add some, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So open up the Search menu and type in Settings. Best match, or come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select the start tile. And then select folders. These folders appear on start next to the power button. Select that. And then if you want to enable or turn on folders, you can just go ahead and toggle them to the on position. And if you open up the start menu, they should appear down here at this point. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do a buzz, it will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.